welcome once again to She's World. My name is Sheila, but you can call me She. Disclaimer, you know it's coming. I am not an immigration lawyer. I am just a person who has gone through this process all the way up to citizenship, and I'm just here to share free information with you. Awesome. Purple folder comes back. Okay, so if you've watched my Form I-130 video, my Form I-485 video, then you know this purple folder. This is all the documents I attached during my immigration process. And so this form has all the copies that I submitted to USCIS, and I kept everything for my record as well. Okay, awesome. Today we're going to do Form I-864. What is Form I-864? Again, I have a video on my channel where I have completed the Form I-864, so you can go look at that. That will help you complete that form as well. Good. This form is your affidavit of support under Section 2138 of the Act. This is what your petitioner is going to use to prove that they're financially able to support you staying with them or being with them. So this one, so the good thing was that my husband's income was enough to support all of us, and so I didn't have to have another person write a letter to say that they're supporting our financial state, which was really, really phenomenal, because I know that a lot of people don't have that, and they have to seek other people to help them attach more documents to say that they're going to support them. So because my husband's income was enough to support us, and he met the income bracket, which I'll do another video so you can see the income bracket in your state and see if you qualify to be able to support someone. And if you don't, of course, USCIS gives you the chance to have somebody else help you with that financial aspect as well. Too easy. So again, I'm going to read the cover letter. If you see me reading, is the cover letter that I attached a cover letter to all of my applications. So if you go through my videos, you're going to see that every application that I did, I attached a cover letter. You want to make this journey very, very seamless for the officer and even for you as well, so you can kind of keep track on what you're doing. And I arranged it the same way I literally had it typed out in the letter. Too easy. All right, so my address at the top, the USCIS immigration office that this packet is going to go to. And then it says, to whom this may concern, Form I-864 Affidavit of Support under Section 2138 of the Act. Contents included below are in order as they appear. Awesome. First one, completed and signed Form I-864. So this form is for your petitioner, your spouse or your parent or whoever is the American citizen or is legally allowed to be in America filing for you, the non-immigrant. So in this case, my husband filing for me as the foreigner. Awesome. Copy of employment. So copy of letter of employment. So what we did was my husband went to his workplace and said, I need to apply for immigration, my wife's immigration status. Can you give me a copy of a letter that says that I work here? So of course, and if you have your employment letter already, that's fine, you can add that. And most people don't keep their employment contract. I do. Again, it's not about me. But if you don't have it on hand, your employer can always provide you a letter that says that you work there. Too easy, really too easy. Okay, and then the only other documents we added was copy of Internal Revenue Service of tax return. So when you fill out your Form I-864, you're going to indicate on that form which tax returns you want to attach to it. So we decided to attach the tax returns for the past 3 years. Okay, so if you're filing your taxes, too easy. If you go to Internal Revenue Service, you'll be able to request a transcript of your tax returns, because some people don't keep their records of their tax return, and which is something I would encourage you to do. But if you don't, that's okay. You can always go to USCIS and you will get transcript of your tax return, which you can attach, which USCIS accept. So we attach for the first year, and then we attached the second year, and we attached the third year. So these were the only 5 forms that we attached that was it for our form I-864 for the affidavit of support to ensure my husband's financial standing to be able to support me. So if you have a partner that is able to provide those documents, your application is going to be short and sweet. But if you don't and you need support from family members to help you to get to that financial point where the USCIS requires you to be, that's also okay. Make sure you are attaching all of those documents as well. So that was it. This video is very, very short and sweet. I wanted to make sure I'm going straight to the point. If there are any questions that you have, please leave it in the comment section. And like I've mentioned before in my other videos, when I did my filing, or when my husband and I did our filing, we filed everything together. One whole bulk purchase. One whole bulk, huge envelope that we mailed to USCIS. So we wanted to do it one shot, and it was really helpful for us. But it's okay, because USCIS, the whole process is a lot of money, it's very expensive. If you can do it in phases, go ahead and do it in those phases. But I would just encourage you that if you can, make sure you file your form I-130 and your form I-485 together. If USCIS allows you to do that concurrent filing, I will encourage you to do that. This is a long journey. This journey is not easy. Sometimes it does get a little bit crazy, but you've got this. I promise you. Just take it easy and just go through the process. Thank you, Royals. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Royals. See you in my next video.